I'm so hungry, so very hungry. I feel like I'm dying, 'cause I'm hungry. Hey, how's it going? Probably wondering what's up with the song. Well, our roommate's been cooking all day. She cooks for the whole week in one day. She cooked through peak hours, so the bill's gonna be high. And she's still not done. And she's made a mess. She made a mess last week and didn't clean up. It stayed there. Now it's a mess on top of a mess. Let's move to something a little bit better because I'm so hungry right now. I haven't eaten at all. I've been trying to sleep more. Just so I can sleep until she's done, and she's not done. She's never going to be done. So this is a mail call. This is a pun. So I noticed this person, they had some pins that they recently did, and it's like a kawaii style Darth Vader with big heart eyes, and then they had a Sailor Moon mashed up Darth Vader, which is cool. But they had done a Sailor Moon Princess Leia mashup, and I always wanted to get that, but I never did because it was never in stores when I had the money. Don't know what this is. It came inside the thing. Okay. So I got a little thing that says, it says my name, Matthew. Thanks for your purchase and enjoy Sailor Aldorian. Stay rad, baby. I pull this out of the packaging because this is gonna go up on the pin board. Dawson Dardy. This is a focus. Wow, this does not want to focus. That's better. Alrighty. So that's pretty cool, huh? Alrighty. Now, this is an order from Pop in a Box I got. And I'm going to show it to you right now. Well, I guess I didn't need to be so easy. They put air on top. Refreshing. I got Tyrion Lannister on the throne. Big old box. Now, I've been wanting a throne for a long time, and I found out they came out with these, and I was worried that, because I don't know if you noticed with a lot of, back with Pop Rides, they used to take them out, and they used to be able to, interchange them and whatnot, and now they just make them inside and stuck, so you can't take them out. So I was worried that, at first, I didn't want to get the throne because I didn't want to get, a figure attached to it. I wanted to be able to make sure I could take it off because I missed the SDC one or whatever it was. So I couldn't, it was like, I didn't want to pay like between $40 and $60 for a throne. So I waited, and now I have one. And now I can start putting things on there to sit. We also have Tyrion. My mother does not have a Tyrion in her collection, at least a pop with him. So she'll have him to sit around. Eventually, maybe I'll get another throne and she can have interchangeable characters for her throne. We'll see. If you're curious, he does sit kinda on it. Actually. Yeah, he don't really sit too well on it, but he does kind of sits on it. On the edge. He's an edge seater. He doesn't want to sit all the way back. Though his head can probably do it. There we go. There we go. Oh, yeah. And down he goes. I think we have a good person right here who would like to sit on it, maybe. Let's see if she can sit on it. Yep. The new king. The queen of the garden. Okay, we'll have to see. We'll continue on with that later. Alright, guys. That's my mail call. That's what I got. What'd you think? A throne? Shall we put a princess on a throne? Alrighty. That was fun. You guys have a stellar day, and hopefully you're able to eat. Unlike me. Soon, hopefully. Soon. It is a big, disastrous mess in that kitchen. It's like, oh, frightening. Okay. I just hope she cleans up and not like last time. Sleeping all day. But it felt really great after a while, but now I'm just like blah. Alrighty, thanks for tuning in and stopping by, and let's totally do this again sometime. Later.